right, so this next one is solving an equation. So just a tad bit different from inequality. We're going to start with distributive property again. So I'm going to distribute this term to each term inside the parentheses. So it's going to be 0.75x. And then I'm going to multiply this with my calculator. And when I multiply it, I would get 15. So I'm going to do plus 15. So all I did was multiply 0.75 times 20, and I got 15. Equals 2 plus 0.75 times x is 0.75. And then 0.5 times negative 2 is going to be negative 1. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to simplify my like terms on the right. And there's 2. And it's 2 and 1, and that's just going to be 1. Then I'm going to put plus 0.5x equals plus 15 0.75x. I'm going to box my variables. And then I'm going to move my variables to one side. It really does not matter which side you want to move them to. I'm going to move my variables to the left because this is my smaller box, and I usually like to work with the smaller box first. As you saw in the inequalities, it really doesn't matter, but it's just preference. I'm just going to put the 0 here because it's the same thing, because it's easier for me to subtract mentally. If that's fine, if you just want to put 0.5, that's fine. Just know that this answer is going to be 0.25x plus 15 equals, and all we have left over here is 1. So now I'm going to box my variable again. And I'm going to subtract 15 from both sides. Cross this out. And I have 0.25x equals negative 14. So now, so that I can get the x by itself, I'm going to divide both sides by 0.25. And we got to see what we get. So if I do this in my calculator, I'm going to grab my calculator. It's off camera because everybody should have a calculator at their hand. You should know how to use it by now. Then do negative 14 divided by 0.25, and you will get your answer. Okay? You're going to have to do that part all on your own. Right?